Welcome back to EduArise. This is the first interview model of EduArise in which we are entering into. I am really happy to share on this portal that the government is changing the education policy and they have introduced Education Policy 2020. It was initially started in 2019 but now it is officially been declared in 2020. That is the best output because I personally feel that if the education sector is changing, all the sectors will be changing and all the sectors will be improving in India, and that is how we are going to progress very soon. So, what is it now? What are the major changes? Out of that, we are going to take one major change today, that is the stages of the education being elaborated by former principal Dr. Harish Alke. He has total 40 years of experience. He has completed his doctorate in commerce, that is SICK industrial areas. We have a renowned personality today. Welcome to you, sir. I want you to discuss on this Education Policy 2020, what it is exactly, being in this field since so many years. What do you feel about it, sir?
The 21st century. Now we are entering in the 21st century. 20 years already old. And Dr. Abdul Kalam says that the 21st century is known as a brain as a capital. On this ground, everywhere in the global scenario, everywhere the all eminent educationists, they are busy to change the world. And so government of India and HRD minister also think after a gap of 34 years, government decided to change the education system. Before that, after the independence, 70 years, or in short, when we were the student, that time the education pattern was 7 plus 4 plus 4. Then in 1975, 1976, the education pattern changed 10 plus 2 plus 3. So this pattern is all over the world. But Government of India started accept the new education policy in 1986. Since 86 to 2020, to the 2020, the education policy remains same. When Honorable Prime Minister came in the power in 2014, he decided to change all the scenario. He decided to change all the scenario, and on that ground, he decided to change. And so he appointed a committee under the chairmanship of V.C. Subramaniam. But unfortunately, the sad devices, and so HRD minister appointed a new committee under the chairmanship of the senior scientist K. Katsurangan, and he just submitted his report, and that report is approved by the government of India, and that is policy known as the Education Policy 2020. And so now you will be asking me, what is in that? So there is the pattern like 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So for 5 year means when child born at the age of 3, 2, 3, 4 and 5 known as a pre-primary, that is we call KG. Then the first and second standard, that is known as a pre-primary. Okay. Then third, fourth and fifth know the north primary education. Then 6, 7, 8 known as a higher primary. And then 8, 9, 10 and 11 known means from 9 to 12 known as a secondary school. So this is the education scenario up to the age of 5th standard. Up to the 5th standard, the child should know the mother language, mother tongue, and then after 6, or when the child entered in the 6th standard, he must get an education that is known as a vocational education. And so governments or honorable prime ministers view is that not seek the job, serve the job, but give the job, but due to the Atmanirbhar. So this is in the Skill India, Kaushal India, So New India, so whatever the dream of the government, all we have to succeed it. And so this the education, that so many subjects, a choice-based systems are there. 24 subjects involving in the new policy, that like mathematics, science, Indian history, global history, economics, philosophy, all, and multi-choice to the student. He can accept, offer the many subjects, means it should be developed. So really meaning of the education is that all-rounder development of the human being known as the education, that the meaning of the education will be fulfilled by the new education policy. So this is a new change scenario in the era of education. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. You gave so many insights to so many things, and it is really a need for all of us and the new generation to understand this new policy. And I guess in this lockdown scenario, the best thing which can do is the changed education system. And yes, we are thinking of Skill India, New India, and Progressing India. Thank you. Stay tuned to Edge Your Eyes.